Did you know you can get paid to read emails? It's true. I just wanted to make you aware of a great business opportunity. A free app pays people to read emails, and they're looking for someone like you. This is a great job for anyone who wants to make some extra cash from home. You will simply read the email. It's really easy, and the best part is that it doesn't matter what time of day or night it is because you will get paid per the email. First, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Do you have an email account? Great! You can start earning money right now by reading emails. For every email you read, you get paid. No spam, no price gouging, just simple, honest payouts. You can also choose to read emails on your own time and at your own pace. It's a great way to earn some extra money each month, using a platform called ClicksGenie.com. ClicksGenie is a PTR service, which stands for Get Paid to Read. ClicksGenie is very easy to use with a lean and friendly interface and works in a very simple way. Just register, you don't have to pay to join ClicksGenie. ClicksGenie is free to join for everyone. Then you will start receiving daily emails from advertisers. For every email you open, click and stay on the advertiser's website for a predestined amount of time, so you get paid. ClicksGenie doesn't require any sort of payment in order to earn money. Everyone can earn money with ClicksGenie. Also, you can earn more referring friends and other people. You can earn more for every active referral you get. You will get paid up to 5 levels deep, totaling 320% commission revenue from every referral. Also will get paid a 15 cents bonus for every referral you bring that is active. Go to your account, grab your referral link, start inviting your friends and others to join. The more people you refer, the more you earn with ClicksGenie. That's it. You can log in anywhere from your email address, open emails, click, watch the ad, and get paid. It's really simple. All payments on ClicksGenie are instant. You request a payout, you're paid in minutes. 1 cent minimum payout. Your first minimum payout is just 1 cent and it's instant. Multiple payment options. You can get paid through Bitcoin or Perfect Money instantly. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.